Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a peanut butter business factory and more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a peanut butter business. When starting a peanut butter business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 40 kilograms of peanut butter per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, it's wise to begin with a capacity of 40 kilograms per day for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 120 kilograms per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 80 kilograms per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully utilizing the 80 kilograms per day capacity, and then consider upgrading to 120 kilograms per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a peanut butter medium-sized business with a factory capacity of 40 kgs per day, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing, you will need peanut roasting machine. For roasts raw peanuts to enhance flavor and texture. This capacity 25 to 50 kgs per hour, which will cost about 1,50,000 rupees. And also, you need peanut peeling machine. It is used to remove the outer peel of the roasted peanuts. This capacity 50 to 60 kgs per hour, which will cost around 95,000 rupees. Then you need peanut butter grinding machine. To grind roasted and peeled peanuts into a fine paste, achieving smoothness and consistency. The capacity 50 kgs per hour. It will cost around 1,40,000 rupees. Then you need peanut butter filling machine. This is used for fills the peanut butter into jars or bottles. This capacity 2,000 bottles per day. It will cost around 89,500 rupees. It will be weighing automatically. Then you need peanut butter capping machine. It is used to lids the bottles filled peanut butter for seal. This capacity 20 caps per minute. It will cost around 26,000 rupees. Then you need peanut butter labeling machine. Applies labels to the filled bottles, including branding, nutritional information, and expiry dates. This capacity 30 bottles per minute. It will cost around 1 lakh rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.